Hi, this is Koshita and I'm here to talk about quantum computers and their impact on the NSA. So what's a quantum computer? A quantum computer works fundamentally very different from a conventional computer. A quantum computer would work on quantum bits or qubits, where the numbers would take the state of both zeros as well as ones simultaneously through the concept of superposition. But how does this create an impact on the NSA? NSA, as we all know, has three surveillance programs: the targeted surveillance of the enemy systems, the bulk surveillance of communication channels, and the deliberate sabotaging of security. Quantum computers work on the concept of parallelism, where multiple calculations could be done all at once. This characteristic of quantum computers could help them break into even the most highly secure systems of the enemy networks, and they could also break into even the most complicated cryptographic algorithms. For example, the RSA algorithm, which uses two very big prime numbers to calculate the keys. Hence, quantum computing could have a positive effect on targeted surveillance as well as the deliberate sabotaging of security. Quantum computers work much faster than the conventional computers, and this could help them collect even a lot more information in a much shorter period of time, hence making bulk surveillance much easier. But quantum computers could also have a very bad effect on the NSA, because anybody could build a quantum computer and they could easily break into the security systems of the NSA and ultimately trying to destroy them. Hence, I feel that quantum computers could both have a positive as well as negative effect on the NSA. Thank you.